Hi, in this video we're going to be giving you a quick overview of the MultCloud service, which will let you access multiple cloud storage services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on, all from one location. And that way you could do things such as schedule backups between the two, do file and folder synchronization, share files, and that kind of thing. So there's a free version which gives you 5 gigabytes a month of data transfer between the services. And then of course there's some higher ones for pay-for services. And there's the limited and unlimited plans. So we're going to be trying this out on the free one here. So I already have this set up with some cloud services already ready to go here. So I have my Dropbox in here, Google Drive, and OneDrive. And let's say you wanted to add another service. You click on Add Cloud. Let's say we're going to add Google Photos. You could change the name if you want. You got to sign in with it and give it access to allow your photos here. Now you can see we have Google Photos here with my albums, photos, and so on. All right, so the main categories here are under the tools, the different things you could do, and then you have your task list. So if I go to my task list, I've already done a cloud sync from Dropbox to OneDrive, and I've done a backup from OneDrive to Dropbox, and you can see the successful status here. And you could start the sync now, start the backup again now. Click here to check for the options for sync modes, normal, real-time, one-way, two-way, simple, and all these other kinds of syncs. Email notifications, filters, and then for backups, logs, you could do restorations, check the different versions, options here, scheduling, just like that. Okay, so now if we go to cloud transfer, let's say I want to transfer, since we have the Google Photos here, let's go to my albums, let's do the dog album, and let's send it over to OneDrive. And if you don't have a folder there, you could create a folder. So let's call this like that. Click OK. So we're going to go from Google Photos, Albums, Dogs to OneDrive, Dog Photos Transfer. So click on Transfer Now. And you can see it lights up the task list here because this is running. So it's copying the files. So you'll see a little status bar going across here as it's going. And you can cancel it, of course. So let's wait till this finishes. Okay, so that's done. So Google Photos, Albums, Dogs. So let's go to Google Photos. Albums, Dogs. So these pictures here. And let's go over to OneDrive. Let's refresh the screen here. So here's our dog photos transfer folder that we just made and copied it into. And then there's our pictures there as well. Okay, so that was the cloud transfer. You have team transfers. So if you're using like Google Workspace or OneDrive for Business, you could do transfers here between your teams. Cloud sync. So if you want to do synchronizations, normal and real time, you could set it up here. Scheduling and the options similar to what we just saw. Cloud backup. If you want to do a backup from one cloud service to another, and then schedule that as well, you could do that. And just keep this in mind when you run a task here. So if I go back to my task list, it'll name it 1, 2, and 3. You could actually change this name. And when you're making your backup here, as you're setting it up, you could change the task to a different name so it's something that makes a little more sense. Then there's remote upload. So if you have any like from links and torrents and magnets, you could create a task, put in the link here or the torrent file, and upload it that way. And then you have your shares here where you'll see your shared files. So let's say I wanted to share something from my Google Drive here. Let's say this agenda file here. Click on it. Click Share. Share with MultCloud. You can do a public share, anyone with a link, private share with a password, or source share. So we're going to click on a public share, let's say. It'll give you the link. Let's copy it. Let's go to a different browser here. So here's the file here. So we could save it to a different cloud service here, direct download, or save the link. And now, if I go back to my shares here, you'll see that I have it here. Then I could cancel the share, edit the share, download it myself, preview, to source and to share options right there. So that's about the gist of it, how it works. So it's a pretty nice little service there. So if you have a bunch of different cloud storage platforms and you want to be able to kind of manage them all from one place and also back up and sync your data, it's a good way to do so. So I'll put a link in the description, then you could check it out for yourself and sign up and see if it works for you. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.